The women used to send a small box to Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha which contained cotton of yellow color. She said, "Do not hurry till you see clear water." She means to say the termination of menses. The daughter of Hazrat Zaid bin Sabit radiallahu anhu came to know that women during the midnight used to see the termination of blood with the help of lamps. She said women should not do so, and she reprimanded them. Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha reports that Fatima bint Abu Hubaysh suffered from continuous flow of blood. She consulted the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "It is blood of a vein and not menses. When menstrual period starts, you must omit prayer, and when her periods are over, she must take a bath and perform prayer." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 320.